In the vegetable world, cucumber is like everyone's boring cousin. It's not offensive, but it's not exactly thrilling, either. It's probably not the first to make it onto your party invite list, in other words. Maybe it should be, though, because cucumber is actually a powerhouse veggie. It's loaded with fiber and water but incredibly low in calories and sugar. Plus, the health benefits of cucumbers are far-reaching. Eat or drink it for digestive health and wellness, whip up a cucumber mask and hydrate your skin, or leave cucumber rounds on your eyes to reduce puffiness. Yep, that's a real thing. Similar to the benefits of putting cucumber on your eyes, Dr. Bowling suggests making a DIY skin mask out of cucumber to rehydrate your skin with antioxidants and leave it looking younger and fresher. Cucumber is a vegetable that contains a good number of nutrients that help the body to stay strong and very healthy. The commonest species of cucumber is the green one, and it is a fruit that has no particular taste. It has a lot of water, which helps the body as well. Well, when cucumber is blended, it comes out in a juicy form. A lot of people enjoy cucumber smoothie more because it is easy to swallow due to their tasteless nature. However, in this video we will see some health benefits of taking cucumber smoothies or juice often. First, it helps to protect the cells in the body. Cucumber contains powerful antioxidants like vitamin C, magnesium, and beta-carotene, which helps to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in the body. Secondly, for those that are overweight and want to shed some of them, a cucumber smoothie is a good recommendation. This is because it will help to keep you full, thereby keeping you away from unnecessary cravings. The fiber content in cucumber helps a lot in this effect. Finally, another health benefit of taking cucumber smoothies is keeping the digestive system healthy. The heart also tends to stay in a healthy state when it is taken often.